Hello friends, 2016 Dodge Dart. We're gonna show you how to change your cabin air filter, okay? So it's pretty easy, so come over here. So first of all, what you wanna do is, you see this plastic cover right here? You just gotta like pull it out. It just pops out because it's got just like clips. Okay, now you see that small bolt right here? Well, you're gonna have to take that one out. Okay, so that little bolt right there is gonna be a 5.5 millimeter. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and take it out. Just like that. Now this thing right here. Okay, now when you're taking it out, then you're gonna have this thing in the way. It's just a plastic clip that's clipped right there. Make sure you take that, get that out of your way, and then you just pull your filter. Wow, this is dirty. Okay, now we got the new filter right here. And as you can see, it says where the air flow is gonna be. So that arrow actually is gonna go this way, okay? All right, so it's gonna go in like this, okay? All right. And now I'm gonna go ahead and throw this guy in here. Just like that. Okay, just put this guy back in, the cover back on. I'm gonna put the screw back in, just gently. That's it right there. Now let's put this guy back up in here. Your side cover. And that's it. Pretty easy, eh? Alright friends, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please remember, subscribe to the channel, give us some likes, and see you next time, alright?